shocking instances coming of abject bigotry and racist comments where NDA leaders from the state of Bihar are concerned. JDU MP has now sparked the controversy. Janata Dal United MP Devesh Chandra Thakur facing flack from his own party and ally BJP for his controversial statement. In a viral video, the JDU MP said that Yadavs and Muslims did not vote for him, and he said he will not work for them, that he will not be entertaining any demands made by these two communities, Muslims or Yadavs. BJP MP Giriraj Singh also said that he understood Thakur's sentiment, as Thakur was heartbroken because of the not getting in votes from the Muslim and Yadav community. He also said that this could be a conspiracy by these communities against Sanatan Dharma. Basically, Giriraj Singh coming in and supporting Thakur on the bigoted statement that he had made. Most upper caste voted for NDA in this Lok Sabha election, whereas most Yadavs and Muslims voted for the India Alliance. Compared to 2019, JDU received lesser votes from communities like other OBCs, SCs, Kurmis and Parsis as compared to 2019. And what it reflected in was open bigotry by the JDU leader, Mr. Thakur, and Giriraj Singh now coming in and supporting Devesh Thakur as well. Listen in.
तीर दबाकर मेरे लिए आप तीर दबाते तो आपको उस तीर में नरेंद्र मोदी का चेहरा दिखाई देता, इसलिए आपने लालटेन दबाया। तो यही बात है, तो मैं आपके काम करते वक्त आपके चेहरे पे लालटेन और लालू जी का चेहरा क्यों नहीं देखूं? 70 साल का उम्र हो गया मेरा, ये पहली बार कर रहा हूं, बड़े दुख के साथ कर रहा हूं, लेकिन कर रहा हूं और करूंगा। मेरे यहाँ हर एक मेरे मित्र यादव मित्र का स्वागत है। जो मित्र नहीं है पहले बार भी आना चाहते हैं, उनका स्वागत है। यादवों का और मुसलमानों का आइए, चाय पीजिए, मिठाई खाइए, काम के बारे में मत बोलिए, मैं आपका काम नहीं करूंगा।
ना उन्होंने बयान को तोड़ मरोड़ करके मत प्रस्तुत कीजिए। उन्होंने अपनी भावनाओं को प्रकट किया है कि जिन लोगों ने वोट नहीं दिया, एक सजायाफ्ता भ्रष्टाचारी परिवारवादी जमींदारी के पीछे रहने वाले बंधुआ मजदूर बन गए, ऐसे लोग की प्राथमिकता कैसे होगी? भारत देश आजाद है, लेकिन आज भी परिवारवादी गुलामी की मानसिकता में कुछ समाज को लोग बांध के रखना चाहता है, तो जो वोट दिया है उसकी प्राथमिकता पहले रहेगी। उनका भाव का प्रकटीकरण तो यही था और यही भी होता है।
देवेश चंद्र ठाकुर अपने दिल की भावना को कहा है। इतने सालों से वो एमएलसी थे, चांद भी था, क्रॉस भी था, ओम भी था, वो सबके लिए करते थे। उनका दिल टूट गया जब राज्य सरकार केंद्र सरकार की सारी योजनाएं समाज के हर वर्ग कोई ज्यादा कोई कम वोट देगा, लेकिन अगर मुसलमानों ने ये तय कर लिया कि हम नहीं वोट देंगे, तो ये एक सोची समझी रणनीति है जो सनातन को कमजोर करने का, भारत में गजवाए हिंद लाने का एक प्रयास है।
I'm going to bring in Aditya Vaibhav because viewers, what's really happened is Devesh Thakur earlier on said that he's not going to work for Muslims or for Yadavs who apparently did not vote for him. Then, of course, Giriraj Singh came in supporting Devesh Yadav. Now Devesh Yadav has done a U-turn as well. We're going to play both reactions of Devesh Yadav, but I want to bring in Aditya Vaibhav into this conversation. Aditya, finally it does seem that Devesh Yadav has made a U-turn after his highly bigoted comment where he said he will not work for Muslims or Yadavs because they didn't vote him. Has action been taken internally by the JDU? What are you picking up?
Well, exactly. As far as Devesh Chandra Thakur and his comment was concerned, of course, there was a clear slugfest that ensued between the NDA and the opposition and also within the NDA ranks. Notable is the fact that while some BJP top shots chose to actually come ahead and defend Thakur and his statement, there was an internal fight within his own party ranks with a former Rajya Sabha MP, Ashfaq Karim, actually categorically pronouncing his opinion on the entire issue, and he categorically claimed that Devesh should not have uttered what he actually did. So this is something that you could clearly understand, that even the NDA was divided as far as the statement made by Devesh Chandra Thakur is concerned, because you can clearly understand that Union Minister Giriraj Singh was there, who came to his rescue immediately after the controversy was triggered. But then, of course, he had to backtrack after he saw that even his party ranks are now not standing behind his statement on what he actually did.
Aditya, stay with me. I want to cut across and once again play for our viewers what Devendra Yadav said, Devendra Thakur said, Devesh Thakur said the first time around, and we'll come back to what, of course, he's now taken back his statement.
तीर दबा, अगर मेरे लिए आप तीर दबाते तो आपको उस तीर में नरेंद्र मोदी का चेहरा दिखाई देता, इसलिए आपने लंटेन दबाया। तो यही बात है, तो मैं आपके काम करते वक्त आपके चेहरे पे लंटेन और लालू जी का चेहरा क्यों नहीं देखूं? 70 साल का उम्र हो गया मेरा, ये पहली बार कर रहा हूं, बड़े दुख के साथ कर रहा हूं, लेकिन कर रहा हूं और करूंगा। मेरे यहाँ हर एक मेरे मित्र, यादव मित्र का स्वागत है। जो मित्र नहीं है, पहली बार भी आना चाहते हैं, उनका स्वागत है। यादवों का और मुसलमानों का, आइए, चाय पीजिए, मिठाई खाइए, काम के बारे में मत बोलिए, मैं आपका काम नहीं करूंगा।
I want to connect back to Aditya Vaibhav, but we're going to play the exact quote where you had Devesh Thakur go on and suggest that he will not vote for the Muslims and the Yadavs. Aditya Vaibhav, to bring you in, has any action been contemplated by the JDU? Because the traditional vote bank of the JDU has been also a lot of Muslims as well. Of course, this time around they might have not got the votes, but when it comes down to state elections, they would be hoping to get that vote bank back.
Well, exactly. As far as the JDU and its vote bank is concerned, of course, the vote bank includes Muslims and Yadavs and also people from the backward community. So that is something that has actually triggered an uproar within the entire, you can say, plethora of communities that actually belong to the section. But that being said, the way the JDU ranks were clearly divided after the statement was given by Ashfaq Karim on the entire episode, wherein he categorically went ahead to condemn the statement of Devesh Chandra Thakur, saying that he is an MP, an elected representative, and he belongs to all the communities and to all the voters out there in his constituency. So this is what Ashfaq Karim said. But then interesting is the fact that the party is yet to clarifies its stand on this and whether or not a disciplinary action will be initiated against Devesh Chandra Thakur. Notable is the fact that Thakur is not just a first-time MP, but also he headed the Bihar Legislative Council. So this makes his statement even more, you can say, grievous on what count he said that.
All right, Aditya, appreciate you joining us.